Over the past decade, tungsten tackle has revolutionized several segments of the freshwater fishing industry. CPT 365 continues to raise the bar with premium tungsten tackle designed for technical applications that ride the cutting edge of today's fishing scene. What makes the CPT 365 Drop TG jig better than traditional lead head jigs? Tungsten is denser and harder than lead, which translates to many benefits for today's walleye, bass, and panfish angler. The harder tungsten jig transmits energy better, which lets you feel the structure better. This in turn enables you to work the jig with a better precision with enhanced feel for underwater structure and transitions. In addition to structure sensitivity, CPT 365 tungsten lets you feel the bite better by reducing memory or bow in line, especially when pitching or when fishing in current or over deep water. Less resistance in the water means better bite detection and sensitivity. Tungsten emits more noise when making contact with rocks, logs, and structure. While lead deadens sound, tungsten amplifies impact, which can attract fish. Heavier CPT 365 tungsten gets down to the fish faster and is easier to control below the boat, which enables anglers to hunt for fish with their electronics and then catch a specific fish because the added weight of tungsten keeps the presentation in the cone angle of the sonar transducer. A deadly system of hunting, finding, and catching that combines today's new sonar technology with the premium lineup of CPT 365 tackle. The CPT 365 Drop TG is one of the superstars to the Clam Pro Tackle 365 lineup. This open water jig has the best of all premium jig features designed with the input of some of the country's top walleye and bass anglers.
This jig we're using, this tungsten jig, is made by Clam Pro Tackle, and it's a denser metal than what lead is. It's a harder metal. What I like about tungsten with walleye fish, especially in deep waters, I can keep this jig straight up and down below the boat. I can keep it in the cone angle of my electronics. So what I'm seeing on the graph when I'm marking fish, I know that that jig is right there. So, you know, you're not only trying to control the boat, but you're also trying to control your presentation to make sure that everything that you're doing is right below the boat, because it's very precise fishing. It's spot on the spot, and that's where tungsten can really shine.
99.7% pure tungsten for maintaining the most vertical presentation, which maintains the optimum cone angle presence when monitoring your presentation on sonar, less water resistance, and optimum sensitivity. 90-degree Japanese high-carbon steel mustad hook with long shank. 8 proven color patterns that include UV-coated and glow finishes. Weights include 1/16, 1/8, 3/16, quarter, and 3/8 ounce.